All right, everybody, welcome back once again. You know it is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. Tonight, or today, let's just say, y'all were wondering when I was going to get a new microphone. Well, guess what? This just came from Temu. So let's go ahead and unbox it. See what we get. We got instructions. We got what they call a spit mask. Here, let me take this out. See, now y'all can't see my face. See how that works? I don't think that'll strap around that. So, okay. Let's get that bag out of the way. Let's get all this unboxed. See, I'm going to unbox it with you all. And then after that, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to hook it up and we're going to test it out together. So, comes with the power cords. So that's a cool thing. Got that. Got a, looks like you got a power cord right here. Oh, not too snabby. Not too snabby. Y'all know what I mean. See, I have a microphone now. Put that on there. Make it look professional. There. Looks like a big donkey. Don't go there. Got the cord, connection cord to it. Looks like we got the mounting bracket. Yeah. Always have a handy box knife. Always have one of those on hand. I'm just putting all the parts right here. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. This is pretty cool. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I'll drive y'all crazy with it too. We'll see. See if I drive y'all crazy with it. And the stand itself. We'll pull that out. Let me slide all this stuff right off of here. Yeah, we'll just slide it all off there. So we can get the box out of the way. Keep the instructions. Let's hope they didn't bang it up too bad. Keep the instructions here. And we got this right here. This is from Temu, y'all. It's only $40. Only costs $40. So let's see if we can put it all together. I'd imagine it goes like this. But then I guess it just... This might be a difficult one. Let's hope it fits in the right places. Hey, easy, easy. I don't know if it'll fit right there for now. Until I find a homey place. Probably not. Nope. So, guess I'm going to have to find a place to put this. Wow. So, put this on the floor for a minute. Think about how I'm going to do this. See if I can get it. Let go. Oh, that's not going to work like that. I don't know, y'all. This is going to be difficult. Let me see. See if that hole's big enough to get that through. Nope. Jeez. So, I'm going to have to figure out where to put it. And shove it up my... whatever. Don't go there. Well, let's see. I use my imagination. See if I can create a flat spot here. Yeah, that should work. It's just temporary until I get my new desk. So, let's go ahead and just balance this in there. I just wish one of these days I would have a damn desk that would be able to put that on there with no problem. Ay. Might not have a choice. Might have to pull that out. All right. Let me move things around. Let's see if I can put it right here. So I don't drop the TV and crap. Move that out of the way. Okay. Give me a minute and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. I had to take my time setting this up real quick because I had to figure out how this mount works. You know, I'm still working on getting it, to where, it works for me. Y'all wanted me to look more professional, so I'm bringing it to the professional side. Hopefully. So we're working on it. We'll get it there. It takes time. I didn't want to waste y'all's time by you watching me, disconnect, reconnect everything and everything else. So I figured I'd get some of it done before anything else. But we still got to read the instructions. Okay. Please charge sound card first. Damn. So I guess you guys know how that's going to roll. It says, and this is the sound card. So charging computer live. Guess that would be this. Okay. Guess we're going to have to charge this up first. Let's see. We should have an extra port up top. I should. Yeah, I do. Okay, so charging. Got a red light. So I guess we're charging. We'll have to wait until that red light goes out. But what we can do is we can test the microphone to see if it is working. So let me pause the video again and I'll be right back. Okay, after a few adjustments that I made, it made it work out really well. Make sure y'all got your drink and snacks, by the way. I know I do, so I like the microphone. It works. It definitely works. I did a couple samples before, well, I gave you guys one sample. It was overdriving like crazy. So, but I gave you this sample right here, and it sounds pretty good. So, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I know that sounded like it is kind of a dry video, but the thing is this. Y'all wanted me to get a new microphone. Okay, I got a new microphone. I will now retire my 10 plus years. Well, actually, no. This is actually 12 plus years old. 12 years old. No. Actually, I got this thing back in, no. I got this in 2010. Late 2010. And it's been running ever since then. So now it's on the retirement home. Now I'm going to put it in the retirement home. But I'm going to keep it just in case I need a backup. I can tell you that much. But anyway, And if you enjoyed the video for today, I hope you did. And hopefully now I can look more professional. But we are still working on getting the chair, the new chair. We're still working on getting a new desk. And we're going to repaint the room. Like I said, we're going to do a lot of modifications here. So we already got the nice computer built to go along with it. So this way I can turn things around and where you get a good shot of my PC and, you know, you'll be able to see it working and everything else. And you know how that goes. So, but if you're first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Built. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do, helping support the channel. But until the next time and the next video, you know who this is. We will see you on the next video.